This is the exact moment I built CodeBridge for. Claude Code just gave me a few options and a wall of text of my own code base. Here it is. Go with first option. Every vibe coder knows this move. That's not approval, that's surrender. It works fine until you are the one debugging it at 2 am. So now I do this instead. CodeBridge. It takes the answer Claude gave you and teaches it to you out loud in real time visually. Teach me this answer.
Hi Sapna, let's dive in. At its core, this lesson is about deciding whether your front-end or back-end carries the complexity burden. REST feels simple, but often leads to overfetching, while GraphQL lets you ask for exactly what you need, but requires careful back-end management. REST's clean URLs make onboarding effortless. When the front end needs a new field, you face a trade-off. You can overfetch from existing endpoints, bloating the response, or spin up new versions for different views, leading to endpoint proliferation. GraphQL shines by letting the front end fetch exactly what's needed in one trip. Ultimately, choose the architecture that matches your team's strengths. Would you like a ready-to-run prompt for your coding agent to apply these ideas?
Sure, and I would also like to know which one would you recommend?
If your backend team is small and you value predictable caching, I'd lean toward REST. But if your front ends move fast and your data is complex, GraphQL's flexibility pays off. Sapna, do you want that prompt now?
Yep, sure.
I've placed a prompt on your screen for your coding agent.
So now we can just copy the prompt from here and paste it in our Claude Code. Setup just takes a minute. One npm install if you prefer the CLI, or you can install the plugins for Codex or Claude Code, just 2 commands. And if you wanted to teach a specific file, you can just tag it. It's called CodeBridge. It's by taughtful.ai. Give it the most baffling answer Claude ever gave you and tell me what it taught you. Links below.